penny stock madness. This is crazy right now. DCIX traded it this morning. It's up there to $16, $15.80 right now. It's up over 500%. This is insane. So DCIX really just nothing but a pure pump and dump right now, and it's just going higher. So it's just basically a big race of emotions, of shorts getting squeezed. 500%, you can see right there on the montage, it's showing 500%. The high of day was at 1580, and it just keeps going higher, guys. This is insane. So DCIX traded this morning back when it was like $4, $5. It pulled back down there. So traded this morning at the $5 area. It pulled back down there to that $4.50 area. We thought it was done. I really thought it was done. I was literally done for the day. And you can see all of a sudden it jumped from $4.50 up here to $7, $6. Pulled back again, consolidated, moved across that $6 area, and then boom, ripped up there to $9. At that point, it was like, okay, it's definitely done. Started to pull back, started to consolidate again. Another rip up here to the $12.50. It got to $12.50, and it was like, okay, it's definitely done now. $12.50. There's no way this is gonna go higher. And you can see from $12.50, pulled back down there to $10.50, making a $2 move lower, and then finding support and ripping higher up there to $14.50. Literally every time this breaks over the high of day, it just rips again. And same thing, out there to $14.50, pulled back down here to $12, and then once again ripped from $12.50 up there to $15.50. High of day now, $15.80. This is nothing but emotions. This is crazy penny stock emotion, wild trading right here. People chasing this. I can't imagine who's buying this stock at $16. The guy who bought this at $15.80, I wish I could find him and shake his hand because he is a legend. It's up over 500%. The last thing that I would ever do is want to buy a stock that's up over 500%. You know, even if the potential is there for it to go higher, it's just at that point, at what point is it just too much risk? And this is a lot of risk at this point. DCIX could easily be halted. It could easily just crash from $15 down back to $8 or $4 or $3 or $1. This is a similar move that we saw with DRYS last year. Maybe it keeps going higher. Who knows? Really, at this point, it's nothing but emotions and just wild trading at this point. People are just buying into it, selling and buying. And it looks like we're getting a new high right here. Back up to that $15.80 area. See if it breaks over there. Look at this thing just going higher. Up there to $16. So making a new high there. Same pattern. Pulling back. Making a new high. At some point, this is going to get really, really bad. It's going to get like really bad. It's going to just crash from $16 back down into $10 in a matter of seconds. So I definitely don't want to be a part of that. I'm going to take my profit. I'm already up over $1,000 on the day here, and I'm happy with that. So DCIX, a crazy, insane mover here. Thinking about all the shorts that are getting squeezed, because it's easy to be like, hey, I'm going to short every top here. I'm going to short every top. And then all of a sudden, it just goes higher. It goes higher and goes higher and goes higher. I mean, the guys who shorted here at the $12 area, they thought this was going to just start crashing. But there it is, up there to $16.50. There it is, up there to $18.50 now. Going higher. I can sit here all day long, I guess, and just wait for this thing to keep going higher. I kind of wanted to see it start crashing, but we might not even get that. It's up there to it's up 620% right now. I think at the high of day, there's 620, 640, 650%. Guys, this is insane right now. DCIX up over 620%. Imagine if you would have bought it this morning when it was $4.21. I need a time machine right now. I need a time machine to go back in time and to find this stock this morning. Go back in time. Go back during the live stream and tell everyone, buy this stock right now. DCIX is going to go up over 600%. But nobody knows. Nobody knows where the top is. Nobody knew this stock was going to explode this big. We traded this morning. I thought I had a really amazing trade on it when I traded from $5 to $5.50 with 2,000 shares, making close to $1,000 on one trade there in a matter of minutes. But you can see DCIX not stopping for anyone right now, just going higher. Up there to $18.50 now. There it is. Over, well, right at $19. $19 seller sitting there. See if it can pop right over $19 right here. There it is. Over $19 now. Up there to $19.33. It's like watching a comedy show right now, just wondering where the top is here on DCIX and just thinking how big this is going to crash once it starts crashing.